I have a good, kind of an idea what a peak demand is, but I've heard that before, and I've been in the industry a long time. I'm not even sure what a peak demand is and why it causes me to pay more money for my electrical bill. Can you do a little bit of definition on that and explain it?
All right, basically peak demand is a measurement of energy use during a window of time that the power utilities dictate. So they will measure the amount of usage in a way of kilowatt hours or amps that you're drawing during that period of time. And you might only see that at the first time when the blowers start up during the beginning part of the day and not see that for the rest of the time that you're on operation. But however, if it's in that window of measurement and it hits that peak, the power utility has to provide that amount of power to you throughout the day. So that's what you're getting charged at, whether you realize it or not.
So if I go to layman's terms, we're talking about being charged all day long for a small peak period, which when I'm starting heavy horsepower motors like dryer fans or pump motors or something like that.
Absolutely. That period of time can be measured in oftentimes 30 or 15-minute intervals. But again, you're being charged as the owner of the car wash the entire time that you're in operation.
Thanks very much, Dan. I'm sorry, Tom. Go ahead. You have something to add?
Yeah, a specific example would be if you've got a 10 horsepower motor, it draws 14 amps full load current. But when you start that motor, it will draw anywhere between 6 and 14 times that 14 amps that you're associated with. And what you're doing with the drive or software, you're cutting off that spike. That's the peak demand, the difference between full line current and the spike you see when you start the motor.